Reality is behavior change is hard. There is ample academic literature from behavioral sciences that showed how many of us are irrational. Smart engineers or economists or politicians may come up with a cheap, simple solution to a problem, but if it requires people to change their behavior, it may not work. Every day, millions of people around the world engage in behaviors they know are bad for them. Take riding a motorcycle without wearing a helmet as an example. Probably they derive pleasure from it, and getting them to change their behavior, even with a convincing rational argument, is not easy. A good case to demonstrate this principle is seatbelts. The US Congress began setting federal safety standards in the mid-60s, but even 15 years later, seatbelt use was just 11%. After a variety of nudges, like traffic fines, the number rose to 21% in the mid-80s and 61% in the mid-90s and over 80% today. Seatbelts cost on average $25, and studies showed that they reduced the death risk by around 70%. Yet, it took years and years to adopt it. Thank you.